How to keep bugs out of cat food. While pouring Kitty a fresh bowl of food, you notice some creepy crawlers mixed in with the kibble. The main culprits are bugs such as the ant, sawtoothed beetle, flower beetle, maize weevil and bean weevil. These pests are drawn to packaged dry goods like breakfast cereal, oats, pasta and pet food. If left in the open, your cat's food dish can provide a free buffet for these critters. Through proper storage and scheduled feeding times, you can fend off pantry pests. Things you will need: sealable plastic containers, aerosol insecticide. Purchase food in small quantities. Bulk containers of cat kibble may be cost-effective, but long-term storage invites insect infestation. Transfer your cat's food into a sealable plastic storage container. The paper bags that food often arrives in is easily penetrated by bugs. For best results, use a container with an airtight sealing lid. Feed your cat away from your home's entry points. A dish near a large window or door is more easily infiltrated by bugs. If you feed your cat outdoors, consider moving the dish indoors. Spray an aerosol insecticide around window and door frames to prevent the bugs from entering your home. Avoid spraying insecticide in cupboards or other food storage areas. Wash and store your pet's dish after each use. Instead of leaving the dish out all day and overnight, set scheduled feeding times so that you can remove it once your cat has finished.